Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the My Hero Ultra Rumble game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search button and type in My Hero Ultra Rumble to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and you will see the Add to Library button. Once you click on this, you can find the game within your library. Click on the Play Now button and you can now choose your installation directory to begin your download. After beginning the installation, just wait for a while until the process is completed. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the My Hero Ultra Rumble game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.